Hello YouTube, Rico Gomez here.
And we'll see.
And today we're going to be playing Play-Doh. We have different kinds of Play-Doh, as you can see.
We have this. We have a whole container in back here.
So I'm going to be playing with this pink color.
I'm going to be playing with this dark blue.
So it's pretty hard, this color, and
it has a lot of hair in it.
For some reason. I'm not going to use that.
That's my dark blue.
And I'm going to be back, and I'll actually use gray. Gray's a good idea. So let's open up.
I'm just stretching mine around back here, if you can see that.
So let's get it out. It's kind of mixed with red for some reason.
That looks good.
Looks kind of cool. No, not really.
That looks actually cool.
Pretty cool. There's some blue in it.
Oh no.
Actually, there's not blue. There's no blue. Just red. Okay. So I think I'm actually gonna make pizza. I don't know if it's a good color. It's red. So I'm gonna have to make it flat.
Is this a gray? Oh, that's a good gray.
This is a good gray. He just found it. It's pretty hard to get out.
Yeah, a lot of Play-Dohs like that.
So this is it. All gray.
I need a darker color. So
I'm gonna make, like I said, I'm gonna make pizza.
I'll get some.
Actually, I'm gonna make some French fries.
That's supposed to be orange. It looks nothing like orange. It's more like a moisture green and all the other colors except for orange. So you can make music with this one. Listen closely.
So I made it flat, as you can see.
You need a pretty good color. This will use dark blue.
So I was flipping it with my flip, and there you go.
I'm gonna make a blue pizza.
So I have to move these around so you can see it. I'm making it. It's down. The Play-Doh's right there. The Play-Doh's
Right down there.
so right here. So it's gonna be on the Pokemon thing. But so I'm gonna be using the cutters.
I'm going to
Obviously.
bring in my Pokemon. One second. Okay, sorry about that. Let's see.
Can't find the material I need, but I'll just use this cutter and cut right through it.
Oh, you know what? I actually have another drawer down here. So, that's a good thing.
I'll do it like that. And there we go. We have this piece of 2 halves again. It's not a lot of Play-Doh in it, so I'm just gonna have to try my best to make my yummy French fries. So here we go. I'm going to be back when I finish making them.
Sorry if you hear this in the background. It's me going to get the other drawer of
So
Here we
I
go.
finished with my French fries.
I got the whole other drawer. Look
So-
at this.
This is what they look like. The French fries will show you in equal pieces, so it will be better. So this is one of them. Another piece. Another piece. Another piece. And the last piece. Well, the last two pieces.
And I just brought in this big, massive bucket. With the Rico Goons. You should find what you need over here.
Or we could go man's butt.
Sorry about that.
So we'll be back when we can get all the materials.
I can't find my... Hey. Okay, so we found our materials, and now we're back again. So yeah,
I made my French fries.
and I am just about getting ready
I'm
to
making basically McDonald's stuff.
Yeah.
So for one I need brown.
I'm making McDonald's stuff too, but not right now because I'm going to make something different for all of you people out there. Because it would be nice if we would make the same thing. It would kind of be boring. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Okay, so let me see. Okay. Okay, so, oops. Okay, so here we go. Wow, this yellow is really, there's not that much yellow. It takes like, you can see that down there. That is an awkward yellow. Just put them oh, yes,
And
I
good.
need this.
Wow, this is pretty hard. So I'm basically going to use this. I'm going to use a cutter and try and go right through it like this. We'll be back when we're done with doing this stuff.
Okay, so I am back. Let's take this off. The French fry got stuck to the camera somehow. So yeah, let's continue on with our Play-Doh making. So I finally found a a perfect brown. And now I can make a French fry sandwich. If that's good. If you guys like that. If you guys would like that.
I'll have to do nuggets instead of burgers since we don't have to do the burgers.
So here is my little thingy. Like you basically would get it at Subway. So my cousin just showed his face, which was pretty sad.
And that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you later. Bye.